Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today the date is 1st September 2020 and the day is Tuesday. As we have completed chapter number 11, now we are going to start chapter number 12, which is about hydrocarbons. In this chapter we will study about the chemical reaction, its preparation and chemical reactions of alkanes and alkynes. As we have discussed about introduction and general properties of the hydrocarbons, now we are going to learn about their preparation and reactions. Introduction. The simplest class of organic compound is hydrocarbon, compounds of only carbon and hydrogen elements. Carbon is the only element which is capable of forming stable extended chains of atom bonded through single, double and triple bond. Hydrocarbons are divided into four general classes depending upon the nature of bond present in them. These are alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatics. Each atom of a hydrocarbon has four bonds. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को, ये हम लोग पॉइंट्स लास्ट चैप्टर में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Hydrocarbons are further classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated जिनमें हमारे पास सिंगल बॉन्ड होंगे and unsaturated which has double and triple bond. The members of these classes have different chemical properties because of different structure of bonds present in them. However, their physical properties are similar because of comparable electronegativities of carbon and hydrogen. Thus, they are almost non-polar and insoluble in water. They dissolve readily in non-polar solvent. They are gases or volatile liquids, and their volatility decreases with the increase of molecular mass. That is the reason low molecular mass hydrocarbons are gases at रूम टेम्परेचर. हाईलाइट करें कि जो हमारे पास लो मॉलिकुलर मैसेज हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैं वो गैसेस होंगी बिकॉज दे आर इजीली वोलाटाइल. और वो इजीली वोलाटाइल क्यों है? क्योंकि उनका मॉलिकुलर मैस उनका कम है. और ऐसे कंपाउंड्स जिनका मॉलिकुलर मैस लो होता है, स्मॉल होता है, वो हमारे पास गैसेस होती हैं. Such as methane and ethane. Moderate molecular masses hydrocarbons are liquid, ठीक है, such as hexane, while higher molecular masses hydrocarbons are solid. जैसे जैसे molecular mass बढ़ता जाएगा तो वो हमारे पास solids में फॉर्म में आती जाएंगी. Fossil fuels are hydrocarbons. हाईलाइट करें. They are not only major source of energy but also are raw materials used to make thousands of consumers products. Hydrocarbons are the starting material for the synthesis of organic chemicals of commercial importance. These chemicals are essential for making plastics, synthetic rubbers, synthetic fibers, and fertilizers, etc. Hydrocarbons are those compounds which are made up of only carbon and hydrogen elements. Hydrocarbons are regarded as the parent organic compounds since other organic compounds are considered to be derived from them by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by other atoms or group of atoms. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को. जो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैं इनको हम लोग पेरेंट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स का नाम देते हैं. क्योंकि इसलिए इनको पेरेंट्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का नाम देते हैं कि जितने भी हमारे बाकी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैं वो इन्हीं से ही ड्राइव होते हैं, ठीक है, इन्हीं से ही बनते हैं. और इनके अंदर हम लोग किसी भी एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं किसी भी दूसरे एटम के साथ. टाइप्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर हाइड्रोकार्बन्स आर डिवाइडेड इंटू टू मेन क्लासेस, ओपन चेन और एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. These are the compounds in which the first and the last carbon are not directly joined to each other The open chains of carbon may be straight or branched. Types of open chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbons have been further subdivided into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons in which all the four valencies of carbon atoms are fully satisfied by single bonds with other carbon atoms and hydrogen are called saturated hydrocarbons. ठीक है, ऐसे कंपाउंड्स जिनके अंदर कार्बन की वैलेंसी फुली सेटिस्फाइड हो by single bond, they are known as saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. Thus, an alkane is a hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by the single covalent bond. There are no double or triple covalent bonds in alkanes. Methane, ethane, propane, and butane are saturated hydrocarbons because they contain only carbon-carbon single. The general formula of saturated hydrocarbon is CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of the alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, the hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms are linked by a double or triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. The compound in which carbon atoms are linked by a double bond are called alkanes. For example, इथीन एंड प्रोपेन. ठीक है, ऐसे हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जिनके अंदर डबल एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनको हम लोग अनसैचुरेटेड का नाम देते हैं. These compounds have general formula CnH2n and functional group double or triple bond are present. The hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms are linked by a triple bond are called alkynes. For example, ethyne and propyne. They have general formula CnH2n plus 2 and functional group carbon triple bond carbon. Close chain or cyclic compound. Compounds having rings or carbon atom in their molecules are called close chain or cyclic hydrocarbons. Benzene, cyclobutane and cyclohexane. हम लोग इनको बहुत डिटेल में हम लोगों ने इनको लास्ट चैप्टर में डिस्कस किया था. ये जस्ट यहाँ पे एक इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया था. यहाँ पर आपके पास टेस्ट सेट 12.1 है, क्वेश्चन है, इसमें आपने इनको आंसर देने हैं. ठीक है, इट वॉज आवर ओवरऑल टुडेज लेक्चर. इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी डिफिकल्टी हाईलाइट द पॉइंट एंड कैन आस्क क्यूरीज. थैंक यू.